This is Kishore Kumar. In today's video, we are going to test this step-down transformer for fitness of service, whether it is okay or not. Here you can find this device under test, which is an step-down transformer. These are the primary inputs, 240 volts, and secondary output center tapped 18 volts. And here for testing I am going to use this multimeter in ohms mode, and here is a short note. This is a step down transformer and the title is okay or not, testing using multimeter. Note, this is only a pass fail spot test based on the principle that a coil must have resistance. Here is a tabular column. It consists of coil, the resistance, and the result. A is primary and B is secondary. And we will check and find out whether this transformer is okay or not by using this principle that a coil must have resistance. So we will start the test. First I will test the resistance of primary coil. I have set the multimeter in ohms mode. I am hooking. Just a minute. So I have hooked both the primary coils and we will note the reading. So this is 20 ohms. I will increase to 200, 2K, and here it is showing 1.8 kilo ohms. So the primary coil has some resistance. We don't know whether for this transformer this resistance is correct or not, but there is some resistance. So we will note it here, 1800 ohms. 1800 ohms. So I will put a tick mark. Then we will proceed to testing the secondary winding or coil. And for convenience I am turning this. It is in 2K. We will leave the center tap. I am hooking to the two green outputs. here. So we will see the reading. It is showing in kilo ohms. We will change the range to 200. So in 200, the ohms resistance value is 17.7. That means the secondary coil also is having some resistance. As I already told you, for primary, we don't know whether this is correct or not, but there is some resistance. It is 17.7 ohms. I will put a tick mark. So now we have to conclude whether the transformer is okay or not. As this is having resistance both in primary and secondary, it is okay as per this test based on the principle that a coil must have resistance. Supposing if we have a similar model of another transformer of similar rating, we can cross check and find out whether there is any difference or both are same values. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please post in the comments box.